Hello and welcome to the DIY Doers Facebook group with me, Wayne Perry, the TV carpenter. This Facebook group was set up over 7 years ago alongside my good friend Steph Bron, but she's now moved to France with her husband, so I'm going to take it on by myself. And the aim of this is to support you and give you as much DIY support and knowledge as possible. So you might have seen me on interior design shows. So I work on interior design masters for BBC and Netflix, and I also work alongside Alan Titchmarsh on Love Your Garden, and I'm also the DIY presenter on Love Your Weekend. So I'm their DIY expert, and I want to impart some of that knowledge to you. If you have any DIY questions, don't be scared. This is a place where you can ask those questions and someone will answer, whether it's myself or other members of the group. If you know the answer to any questions that pop in, please drop in and help people out. The idea is that collectively we share ideas and share our wins. So if you have done any amazing DIY at home and you're really proud of it, you want to show it off, put it into the group. I will be throwing in lots of different things into this group. There will be links to my podcasts, there will be links to DIY presentations that I do, lots of free resources. Ultimately, the aim of this is to encourage you to pick up the tools so that you can be a DIY doer. So I look forward to chatting to you on all the threads that run throughout this Facebook group.